how to open real account on MetaTrader 5. To do so, first of all, make sure that you have downloaded MetaTrader 5 application. Now simply launch MetaTrader 5 application. Now you have to accept this. Then hit on the cancel. If you want to create the demo account, then simply hit on the demo account and enter all of your credentials. But if you want to create a real account on MetaTrader 5, then go back. There you see chat and messages option, hit on that. From here on the top you will see register and sign in, hit on sign in, and from here you can simply hit on the continue with Apple or create a new account. So in this very easy step you can easily open real account on MetaTrader 5. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.